Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the phone software is current because standby requires iOS 17 or later. Once updated, make sure you have a stable charger or mag-safe stand. Next, open Settings and go straight to Standby, then enable the Standby toggle. This activates the feature system-wide. Once done, connect your iPhone to power and place it in landscape orientation. The device will prepare the standby interface, so make sure notifications and widgets you want are allowed before continuing to customization. Now you customize what appears. Select a clock face, pick widgets, and set a background image so information is readable at a glance. Tap Edit on the standby screen to add, remove, or rearrange widgets. You can mix clocks, calendar, and smart stacks to fit your routine. Make sure notification previews and focus filters are configured so only important alerts show while charging. This reduces distractions and preserves screen readability. Once configured, the layout saves automatically for future standby sessions. To use standby, place the iPhone on its charger or MagSafe, stand in landscape, and the interface launches automatically. Tap or swipe to interact with widgets and shortcuts. When you're done, unplug or press the side button to return to normal mode. Standby disengages instantly. If standby fails to appear, make sure iOS is updated and the standby toggle in settings is still on. If it's on and still not working, restart the phone and test again. This often clears temporary issues and restores normal standby behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.